Hey guys, welcome to the photo department. So this is another vlog. I'm doing more of these because they can be shorter and I can do quick little content things, and it's kind of fun to do these. I can do these more often. The episodes take a little more time for production, so this is a fun way to kind of give you some content in between and talk about some stuff that I don't have to talk a lot about, but I can still kind of show you guys what I'm up to. Got the Heath mug so you know it's real. And I'm still drinking the States Coffee Peru El Eden. This stuff is still good. It was roasted on the 15th of February and I'm still drinking it. It's still great. Today is another short one. I've been really consciously trying to talk about film and cover more film topics because film is really the reason why I got into photography in the first place, and it's a lot of the reason why you guys are here at this channel. So I wanted to talk about that more. One thing I've noticed a lot about other film photographers is it's really common for them to have a big stock of film in their fridge that they can pull from whenever, and oftentimes they'll have a lot of expired film or rare film or just film that they don't know what they want to do with yet, and they keep it in the fridge until they're ready. I always thought that was interesting. I never really participated myself, but then a couple years ago I started really buying more film in larger quantities in order to have more on hand, and I realized that I would need to put it in the fridge in order to keep it for longer. And then as time went on, I accumulated more, and so a couple days ago I realized, wow, I have a lot of film in my fridge and I'm pretty much taking over the entire top of the door. So I thought, hey, I can show you guys what I've got stockpiled in there, and it might be interesting for some of you. So let's go in my fridge. Here's the refrigerator in my kitchen where I store all of my food. Usually food goes in here, and then here on this top shelf here in the door is where I keep all my film. I've collected a bit over the last couple years. It's not quite as much as some of the other film buffs I've seen. I like to shoot more than I like to collect, with the exception of a few things, so I just wanted to kind of show what I've got here. Starting on this side. So we've got some Tri-X in 35mm and in 120. We've got a box of Ektar. This is some lomography slide film, 200. I have two of those. Gonna find something to do with those rolls. This is some Rolly branded Agfa, also 200 speed slide film. I have two of those. Also don't know what to do with that. This is some Cinestill BWX, which is my favorite black and white film right now. And this is really interesting. Some F-Key infrared film. A friend gave me this. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this, but it seems pretty cool, so I might try to do something interesting with this at some point, but as of right now I have no idea. So it's in storage. Come on, Cinestill. All right, and then we have obviously Portra 400, of course, gotta have that. Got some Acros, and then down in there we have another box of Acros and some Portra 800, which I actually really love 800. I use it on some very specific stuff, and I like it a lot. Here's a roll of Ektachrome. I have two. A roll of Cinestill 800. I have just this one, I think. And then I have all these boxes of Fuji 224 frames, 35mm. These were being blown out somewhere, and so I bought a ton of them. I really like Fuji Superia, especially the 200, so I use it a lot. Then I have this Fuji Pro 160, which I have not shot yet. I got this from Glaskey. It was brought in from Japan. This is brand new. It expires in 2020. So can't wait to shoot that. I'm gonna wait for something really cool to shoot that. Cinestill again. Some Provia. 3 rolls of that. More Ektachrome. So expired 400 NPH, which I never shot, so I'm interested to shoot that. This is more Fuji 200. This one, what is this? Oh, this is some Kodak Elite Chrome 100. I've shot a couple of rolls of these. It's actually really cool. Slide film, they don't make it anymore, but it was pretty nice. I have back there, as you can see, a brick of Fuji Pro 400, not Pro 400, I'm sorry, it's the Industrial 400, which that's my favorite 400 speed 35 millimeter color film. I don't think they make it anymore, so I bought this from Class Key, and if I ever need more, I might buy more before the prices go up, but I'm hoarding it because I love it. And then the white whale here, we've got 3 rolls of the Natura 1600. I've been saving those forever. The price has been going up like crazy, as you know. So that is my current film stash in cold storage right now. It's actually a lot for me. I might start having to go through this and stop buying so much film, but that is that. And this is Kewpie mayonnaise. Honestly, the only mayonnaise that matters. It's Japanese. It's really good. All other mayonnaise are inferior. There's some chicken breast. There's a bell pepper. Eggs right there. Got some half and half. That's not mine. I don't put dairy in my coffee or anything, actually. Some preserves. I'll take responsibility. Those are mine for sure. Baby carrots. Those are probably mine too. That hondashi is also mine. All right, great. Thanks again for tuning in and watching this video. There will be a lot more videos about film coming up really soon. There's going to be some more giveaways. My first giveaway with the umbrellas was really successful. I'm very happy with how that turned out. Those umbrellas are making their way to the winners this week, and hopefully we can see some really cool examples of what they shoot with, and I'm really excited to see those. So I'll hopefully be able to share some of those photos with you as they make them, and I think that'll be really fun to see those. Thank you again. I will see you guys soon in the next one, which is soon. Probably later this week. No, next week. I don't know. We'll see. See you later.